In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to turn off automatic system updates on Samsung devices. Automatic system updates can sometimes be inconvenient, as they can interrupt your work or use up your data without your permission. Fortunately, Samsung provides an option to disable these automatic updates and regain control over when and how you update your device. To get started, swipe down from the top just like this and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down to the very bottom. Tap Software Update. All you have to do next is toggle off the switch next to Auto Download over Wi-Fi. And now your Samsung device won't download any updates automatically. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.